Welcome to our tutorial on how to lock cells in Excel. Locking cells is crucial for protecting your data from unwanted changes. Once the worksheet is protected, the locked cells cannot be edited. Any attempt to modify a locked cell will result in an error message indicating that the cell is protected. Therefore, this feature is particularly useful for preventing accidental or intentional changes to important data, formulas, or cell formats. By locking cells and protecting the sheet, you ensure the integrity of your data, reducing the risk of errors and maintaining the reliability of your spreadsheet. Let's go through the steps to lock cells in your worksheet. First, select the cells that you want to lock. This can be a single cell, a range of cells, or even multiple ranges. Here, I will select cell range from C4 to C20, because I need to prevent someone from changing the actual sales figures here. Right-click the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+1 to open the Format Cells dialog box. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Protection tab. Here you will see the options for locking and hiding cells. Check the Locked checkbox and click OK. However, note that this step alone does not lock the cells. It only marks them as locked. I will show it, see? You can still edit the cells that we marked as locked. Therefore, to activate the lock, go to the Review tab on the ribbon and click Protect Sheet. This step is crucial as it enforces the lock on the cells marked as locked. You can set a password to prevent others from unprotecting the sheet. Enter a password if desired and click OK. Make sure to remember this password or store it securely, as you'll need it to unprotect the sheet later. You may ask to re-enter your password. Enter the password again and click OK. Let's verify that our cells are protected. Try to edit one of the locked cells. You'll see that Excel prevents any changes, confirming that the cells are successfully locked. But you can still edit the cells that were not locked. This demonstrates the Selective Protection feature, allowing flexibility in your worksheet. In summary, locking cells involves selecting the cells, setting them as locked in the Format Cells dialog box, and then protecting the sheet. This ensures your data remains unchanged by others. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.